Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate to and participate in an eFundi poll. The eFundi poll tool is a great place for lecturers to get your anonymous feedback. You heard right. If you participate in a poll, it is completely anonymous. Lecturers can use it for many different reasons, but mainly it will be to get your feedback or to allow you to choose. In class, they might ask you to raise your hand if you want them to upload a video on eFundi. If they cannot see you in class or want it to be more accurate, they will use the polls. Now, to get started, you will sign into eFundi and navigate to your module site. Then, you select the polls tool in the menu on the left of the screen. Once there, you will see the questions for the different polls your lecturer have set up. To vote, click on a question. Read the question and any additional instructions. Then select the option and click the Vote button. Let's try another one. Well done! Depending on the settings, you might also see a results link over here. If you click on that link, you can see what the poll results are. Thank you for watching this video.